I think that people my age are scared of technology because it is so vast. For me, it's learning so much that's new, and things like icons. We don't always understand what they mean.
I was asked for a wide variety of requests for assistance with what could be simple things, navigating a device or accessing emails and attachments, to really things with huge impact in people's lives, people who have barriers.
So with the digital drop-in sessions that the SCVS volunteers do for us here in the library in Swansea, they came about really through Digital Communities Wales. They put us in touch with each other because SCVS had their digital volunteering service and were helping people perhaps in their own homes. But they identified that there might be a time when people actually would rather go to somewhere in their local community.
I found the library, the Swansea Library Service app very useful. Saved me going out to the library to get books, and I have all your books onto the iPad, and I don't have to go back to the library to renew them. It's all done automatically online.
I've been volunteering in Swansea Central Library with the drop-in sessions, and I've also been supporting a Swansea resident called Margaret.
They sent Becky along to me, and I've hung on to her ever since. How did I start? Well, I just didn't have a clue where to start, to be honest. I expected Becky just to come and help me with the computer. Anywhere that needs something doing, Becky is there to help.
Karen at the library contacted me at the beginning of this digital support project and identified a need for digital support in libraries. A lot of services are moving online and have done especially since COVID, so it's especially important now to make sure people are connected to all of these services and people in their lives, really.
We've been able to support them with advice and give training for their digital champions to equip them with the skills and the knowledge and the confidence to be able to help other people to support their everyday working with all things digital.
I'm becoming much more confident of where I am now as to when I started coming to the course.
It really is that partnership where we are supporting but also working together to achieve some really, really good things within Swansea and promoting digital inclusion.
It's emotionally really rewarding to be a digital champion. Every situation is different, but I was at a point where my children were going to school full time, and I was ready to get back into work. So for me, it's been a completely life-changing experience.
I think it's essential, really, and opens up lots of windows and opportunities for people like me who need that help.
The staff of the project with SCVS have been very helpful, very patient and very understanding.
We should not give up on anything that we really want to do, and there's always a way that people can help us to do it.
It's been outstanding and life-changing, really.